How to adjust a Ford EcoSport seat. The Ford EcoSport offers a lot of wiggle room and potential cargo space, but it can be hard to figure out a comfortable seating arrangement for your vehicle. Thankfully, it only takes a few seconds to adjust the front seats or fold the rear seats forward. Play around with the different adjustments until you're happy with the way your car is set up. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations of car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help you maintain your vehicle. Keep watching to learn how to adjust a Ford EcoSport seat. The following are the steps involved in moving the front seats. 1. Pull on the side lever several times to lift the front seats. Feel along the side of your seat that's closest to the car door and look for a large handle. Grip the handle tightly and lift it up several times, which boosts your seat height. It's easiest to adjust your seat while you're sitting in it. 2. Lower the front seat by pushing down multiple times on the side lever. Grip the lever along the side of your seat and push it down several times. You may need to pump the lever several times before you're happy with the adjustment. This lever won't do super dramatic adjustments, but it can come in handy if your seat feels too high or low. 3. Recline or tilt the front seats forward by using the side triangular lever. Search along the side of your seat that's closest to the car door and feel around for a small triangular lever. Pull upwards on this lever to lean your seat backward or forward, depending on what's most comfortable for you. This lever is set farther back than the handle used to adjust the height on your seat. 4. Lift the bar under the seat to slide it forward or back. Feel beneath the front of your seat for a thin rectangular metal bar. Pull upwards on this bar to unlock your seat and roll it forwards or backward. Once you're happy with your new seat position, release the bar to lock your seat into place. You should hear a clicking sound once your seat locks in place. Steps for folding the back seats. 1. Press on the button along the left and right sides of the seat. Look to the left or right of your back headrests for a large rectangular button. Press down on this button to unlock your seats so you can fold them forward. The button to lower the right seat is on the right side, while the button to lower the left and center seats is on the left. Check that the headrests are locked in place and push down before you continue. 2. Bring the seats forward to give yourself more cargo space. Grip the top sections of the rear seats and pull the backrest down completely. The seats won't be perfectly flat, but try to pull each seat down as far as they will go. The seats should move pretty fluidly once they're unlocked. 3. Lift the seats back to their original position until you hear a click. Use both hands to push the seats back to their original upright position. Listen until you hear a clicking sound, which means the seat is secure and locked in place. Adjusting the headrests. 1. Unlock and lift the headrest to adjust it. Look at the mounts connecting the headrest to the front seat and search for 2 locking buttons. Press both of these buttons at the same time to either lift or lower your headrest to a comfortable position. You need to press down both locking buttons at the same time, or else the headrest won't adjust correctly. 2. Pull on the rear headrest to lift it up. Place both hands beneath the headrest and firmly tug to lift it up. You don't need to press down any locking buttons to do this. 3. Press the locking button to bring your rear headrest down. Look along the right mounting pole of your headrest to find a locking button. Press this button in and then push down on the headrest to adjust it to your desired level. Always consult your car's user manual if you're confused about where anything is. And that's a wrap on how to adjust a Ford EcoSport seat. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.